Hello friends and welcome to Dipansh video time. Today we are gonna be making friction on our scratch projects. So let's get right into it. So first let's create a new project. So about the moving and everything. So it's just gonna be quite simple to make. So the first thing we're gonna do is make a new variable called x. For this right only, for player, just name it anything. I just name it this. And then when flag clicked, set size to 70%. Go to this position. Go to 0, 0. Go down, 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 and take out the forever loop. Oh, yeah. Before the forever loop, don't forget to set the x for player or x for player to 0. So x for player should be 0, okay? And then we want to check if the key right arrow or the left arrow is pressed. So key right or left. The key right arrow pressed or key left arrow pressed. Right arrow, left arrow. Then I want to change x by x for player. Oops, I forgot this spelling. Name variable. Just name it x for now. xf like that. And then change xf by -1 in the left arrow. Change x by xf. Change x by xf. xf. So let's see how it goes. It always changes its position. Okay, that's not what we want. Because it's in a forever loop, we can't change that. So let's put in a set xf. Set. Let me just change the variable to x only. That's more better. Set x to x times. Oh, x times what? Because only x doesn't mean anything. It's just gonna go on its own. So it just sets itself to itself. Times 0.9. Only 0.9 will work. Okay, 0.9. Let's check that out. See the friction. Can you see the friction? It goes so smoothly, right? It stops smoothly. Then you can just copy the code. Yeah. So what does this do? Let me just. The first size to 70%. It goes to 0 or 0. It checks x to 0. So if the key right arrow pressed change x by 1, that means only changing the x variable by 1. If key left arrow pressed change x by -1, also the same thing. Change x by x forever, so we will just change x by x. And then set x to x times 0.9. That will create the friction. So just make this block correct. Always set it to x. Set it to x, not change, or else your code will go crazy. Like one time let me show you what if happens if I changed to it x. See, it just kept going on. I already have that problem, so don't put that. Put the set and change x, and then see how smoothly it goes. So that was everything I wanted to say for today. Until next time, scratch on, everybody. Scratch on.